Hi, boys and girls. It is May 15th. It's a Friday, and we are going to dive into our math for today. Get out your packets, find the math section of your learning packet. We are going to turn to week 2, day 5. Week 2, day 5. Week 2, day 5 says day 5 up in the corner. You see the dog in the upper right-hand corner. And let's get started. Week 2, day 5. There were 15 cookies on a plate. I like to solve my math problems using pictures. I think that is one strategy that makes solving easier for me. So I went ahead and drew 15 cookies on a plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There were 15 cookies on a plate. The dog ate some of them. Does it tell us how many the dog ate? It does not tell us how many cookies the dog ate. But we do know that after the dog ate the cookies, there were only 7 cookies left. So our job is to figure out how many cookies did the dog eat. So we don't know how many cookies to mark out because we don't know how many cookies the dog ate. But we do know how many cookies there were left. There were 1 cookie, 2 cookies, 3 cookies, 4 cookies, 5 cookies, 6 cookies, and whoops. Well, let's see if it lets me do that. 7 cookies. Okay, it says that there are 7 cookies left. So if there are 7 cookies left, how many cookies did the dog eat? Let's take a look and try to figure out how many cookies the dog ate. Okay, these are the only ones left, the ones on the top. There's 7 cookies left, so the dog ate 1 cookie. Okay, the dog ate 1 cookie, 2 cookies, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I wanted to turn this into a number sentence, I could say that we started out with 15 cookies. The dog ate 8 cookies. After the dog ate those 8 cookies, we ended up with, in yellow, 7 cookies. All right, next problem. We have several numbers here in the boxes. We have to write them in order from the numbers that go least to greatest. Least means smallest. So as I'm looking at these numbers, I'm trying to find the number that is the least greatest or the smallest. I see this number right here. I'm choosing this number because this number has no hundreds in the hundreds place. All the other numbers, 204, 113, 107, 261, all the other numbers have 100 in the hundreds place. This is the only number that does not have hundreds, which makes it the smallest number. So I'm going to go ahead, we're starting out with the least or the smallest number, so that's 67. Okay, we're done with 67. Now let's look at our next numbers. Okay, I'm looking and I see this number right here. 107 is the next smallest number. Okay, so 67 is the smallest or the least greatest. 107 is the second smallest. Okay, 107 is smaller than 113 because 107 doesn't have any tens. Look in the tens place. There's 0 tens. Look over here. There's 1 10 in the tens place. So this number is going to be a little bit bigger than 107, what's going to make it our next number. Now you have 2 numbers left. You have to decide what number is the smallest out of those 2 numbers and put it right here. And then you'll have to figure out what's the greatest number and put it right here. So for this problem, we looked at the numbers and we numbered them going from least greatest to greatest, okay, which means from smallest number to largest number. All right, and our last problem that we have today is to fill out our addition table. An addition table is when you take a number from the top and a number from the side and you add them together. They started that with us. They took 3 plus 3, 3 from the top and 3 from the side, and that got us 6. Okay, now let's take the 3 plus the 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 is 7, so that's going to go in the square. Now let's take 3 plus 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. Now we're going to take 3 plus 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now we've got 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. You'll also notice a pattern here. Look at the numbers that we put in our addition table. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now let's start with the 4 and the 3. 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's do a few more together. 6 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is 10. 7 plus 4 is 11. They did that one for us. And lastly, 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, you are going to continue this addition table by adding the number at the top with the number on the side until you've completed the whole table, and then you can look to see what the patterns are. For instance, I notice a pattern between these two columns, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I wonder what's going to be the pattern in the columns to come. So friends, that is our math for today. We're on week 2, day 5, and let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.